the last two videos, I explained what AI agents are and when to use them. Now it is time to actually build one. And no, you do not need to write code. You do not need a computer science degree. You do not even need to understand how large language models work under the hood. What you need is a clear goal, the right tools, and a simple framework. By the end of this video, you will have your first working AI agent. Let us do it. Before we start clicking buttons, let us define what we are building. We are going to create a research agent. You give it a topic. It goes out, finds relevant information, organizes what it found, and delivers a clean summary. Why research? Because it is the simplest useful agent. It has a clear goal, it needs tools like web search, and it requires the agent to make decisions about what is relevant and what is not. If you can build a research agent, you can build almost any other type of agent. The pattern is the same. Every agent follows the same 4-step framework. We covered this before, but now we are applying it. Step 1. Define the goal. Our goal is given a topic. Find the top 5 most relevant sources and create a structured summary. Step 2. Choose the tools. Our agent needs web search to find information and text generation to organize and summarize what it finds. Step 3. Set the instructions. This is where you tell the agent how to think, what to search for, how many sources to find, what format to use for the output, how detailed to be. Step 4. Add guardrails. What should the agent never do? We want it to stick to reputable sources. We want it to admit when it cannot find good information. We do not want it making things up. That is the framework. Goal, tools, instructions, guardrails. Now let us talk about the actual tools you can use to build this. There are 3 levels depending on your comfort. Level 1, no code. Use a platform like ChatGPT with custom instructions, or Claude projects, or Google Gems. You set up the instructions, give it access to web search, and you have a basic agent. This is the fastest way to start. Level 2, low code. Platforms like Relevance AI, Flowes, or Langflow let you drag and drop agent components. You connect a search tool, a summarizer, and an output format. More control than level 1, but still no coding. Level 3, code. Python with frameworks like LangChain, CrewEye, or AutoGen. Full control over every decision the agent makes. This is where you go once you outgrow the no code tools. For this video, we are using level 1, no code. Just clear instructions. Let us build it right now. Step 1, open your tool of choice. Could be ChatGPT, Claude, or any AI assistant that supports custom instructions and web search. Step 2, set the system instructions. This is the brain of your agent. Here's what to write. You are a research agent. When given a topic, your job is to find the 5 most relevant and recent sources about that topic. For each source, provide the title, a 1-sentence summary, and why it is relevant. After listing the sources, write a 3-paragraph overview that synthesizes the key findings. Always cite your sources. If you cannot find good information, say so honestly. Step 3, enable web search. Most platforms have a toggle for this. Turn it on. This is what gives your agent the ability to go find real information instead of just generating text from memory. Step 4, test it. Give it a topic, something like research the current state of AI agents in business automation. Watch what it does. It should search, find sources, organize them, and deliver a clean summary. Step 5, refine. Did it miss something? Was the output too long or too short? Adjust the instructions. This is the iteration loop. Every good agent gets better through testing and refinement. That is it. You just built your first AI agent. Now let us level it up. Here are 3 upgrades you can apply right away. Upgrade 1, add memory. Save the instructions as a reusable template or project. Now every time you use it, it remembers how to behave. You do not have to explain everything each session. Upgrade 2, add output structure. Tell the agent to format its output in a specific way. Bullet points, headers, tables, whatever works for your use case. Structure makes the output immediately usable. Upgrade 3, chain it. Take the research output and feed it into a second step. For example, the research agent finds sources, then a content agent turns that research into a blog post draft. This is how you go from one agent to a workflow. These upgrades take minutes to add, but make the agent dramatically more useful. 3 things that will trip you up. Pitfall 1, vague instructions. If you tell the agent, research AI, it does not know what you actually want. Be specific. Aspect of AI, how many sources, what format. The more specific your instructions, the better the output. Pitfall 2. Skipping the test loop, your first version will not be perfect. That is normal. Run it 3 or 4 times with different topics. Each time notice what is off and adjust the instructions. This refinement process is what separates a good agent from a bad one. Pitfall 3. Trying to do too much at once. Start with one clear task. Get that working well, then expand. Do not try to build an agent that researches, writes, edits, publishes, and does your taxes all at once. Let us recap what we did. We defined a clear goal, find and summarize research on any topic. We chose our tools, web search plus text generation. We wrote specific instructions, telling the agent exactly how to behave. We tested and refined. Running it, checking the output, improving the instructions. And we leveled it up with memory, structure, and chaining. That is the full process for building any AI agent. The research agent is just the starting point. The same framework applies to support agents, content agents, data agents, and anything else you want to automate. If this helped you build your first agent, hit like and subscribe. I am putting out a new video every week breaking down AI in plain English. Next video, I am going to show you 5 real AI agent use cases you can build today with templates. Make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss that. See you in the next one.